Hello student, today I am going to start statistics. The first topic is mean. This video for class 10th mathematics. My name is Rajan Kumar. This is the first video on mean. Yeah, you can say statistics. Okay. Now, in this video I will discuss you how to calculate mean. If class intervals are given and frequency are given, how to calculate the mean from this observation. So I am going to use direct method. How to use direct method? Look at this. Here it is class interval. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So this is the class interval. And these are the frequency 8, 12, 10, 11, 9. That means in 0 to 10 class, 8 numbers are coming. 10 to 20 class, 12 numbers are coming. 20 to 30 class, 10 numbers are coming. 30 to 40 class, 11 numbers are coming. And 40 to 50 class, 9 numbers are coming. This is the records. Okay. By this record, we have to find the mean. So first we have to find the class mark. Class mark, it is assigned by xi. Okay. And frequency is assigned by fi. So class mark formula is lower limit plus upper limit. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So in this class, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. Okay, the sum of both divide by 2, it becomes the class mark of this class. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 becomes 1. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 becomes 50. 20 plus 30, that is 50. 50 by 2 becomes 25. 30 plus 40 becomes 70. 70 by 2 becomes 35. 40 to 50, 90. 90 by 2, 45. Okay, so we got the class mark. Here it is the first class mark. It is shown by x1, second class mark x2, third class mark x3, fourth class mark x4, fifth class mark x5. Okay, first frequency f1, second frequency f2, third frequency f3, and fourth frequency f4, and fifth frequency f5. Okay, we have to do the product. f1 into x1, we are getting f1 x1. So 8 into 5 become 40, 12 into 15 become 180, 10 into 25 become 250, 11 into 35 become 385, 9 into 45 become 405. So these are the product of f1 x1 like this. Okay. Now what I have to do? This is the fx, all are fx. Okay, f1 x1, f2 x2, f3 x3, f4 x4, f5 x5. We have to take the sum of all fx. So if you take the sum of all fx, it is shown by sigma fi xi. I value put 1, f1 x1, I value put 2, f2 x2, I value put 3, f3 x3, I value 4, then f4 x1, I value 5, f1 x1. Okay, we have written this number. And sigma means we have to take the sum of all this number, that is 1260. Now, we have to take the sum of all frequency. I value 1, this is the first frequency. I value 2, this is second frequency. I value 3, third frequency. I value 4, fourth frequency. I value 5, fifth frequency. Now, take the sum of all frequency. It is the sum of fi, and the sum of all frequency is sigma. The sum of all this 50, and the sum of all fi xi, that is 1260. Now, mean formula it is total. Mean is total fi xi by total fi. Okay. Mean is total fi xi by fi. The total fi xi is 1260 and total fi is 50. So 1260 by 50 become 25.2. This is the arithmetic mean by the method of direct method. Now, in next question I will discuss to you if frequency is not given and how to calculate the mean value. Look at it. Let me draw the chart. It is in this chart we can say like this: if the frequency are not given, how to calculate the mean. Look at this. This is the class. Class it is 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110, okay, and 110 to 130. This is the class, and this is the frequency. Frequency is 5, 8, F1, 20, F2, and there 2, and total sum of frequency is Fi, that is equal to 50. Okay, that is equal to 50. Now the question it is, okay, now the question it is, we have to find the frequency, and the mean is given, that is Xi, that is equal to what? Equal to 65.6. Mean is given, two frequencies are unknown, sum of all frequency are known, and now we have to find the unknown frequency. How do we find it? Look at this. First I have to find the class mark. Okay, class mark of each class. 10 and 30 become 40, and 40 by 2 become 20. Okay, 30, 50, 80, 80 by 2 become 40. 50, 70, 120 by 2, 60. Similarly, 20, 20 increases. 100, and it is 120. Now, we have to take the Fi, Xi. It is Xi, my dear, already discussed. It is Fi, my dear, it is already discussed. Okay, and it is a product of both. So look at this. What is this? Fi, Xi. 5 into 20, 100. 8 into 40, 320. 16 to F1, 60 F1. 20 into 80, 1600. 100 into F2, 100 F2. So 120 into 2 to 40. Now we have to take the sum of all Fi, Xi. So look here, 100, 320, 420, 420, and 1600, 2020, and it is 200. So 20, 20, 20, 20, 46, 20, 60. What I say? Fi, Xi equal to 22, 60, and then 60 F1. Okay, and next it is 100 F2. Okay. Now let me look again. 100 and 320, 420. Confirm. 420 and 1600. So 2020, 2020 and 40. 2060, 2060 and 200. 2260 and 60 F1, and it is 100 F2. I will not add 60 with them because 60 and F1 it is a single term. I will not add 100 with them because 100 and F2 is single term. If it is then 100 plus F2, then 100 is added. If it is 60 plus F1, then 60 is added with this number. But in this time, they are in the product form, so they are not added. Okay. Now one thing I have, sum of all frequency, it is 50 given. So we can make a relation between F1 and F2. So look at this. We have a relation. If we go with 5 plus 8 plus F1 plus 20 plus F2 plus 2 equal to 50, we get the relation between F1 and F2. Okay. Now we calculate 5 plus 8 plus F1 plus 20 plus F2 plus 2 equal to how much? 50. Okay. 5 and 8, 13 and 2, 15 and 20, 35. 35 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 50. What is the value of F1 plus F2? F1 plus F2 equal to 15, and the value of F2 in the term of F1 is 15 F1. Okay. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1 it is. Now just go with the formula. Formula it is mean equal to total Fixi by total Fi. Okay, so here total Fixi is 22, 60 plus 60 F1 plus 100 F2 divided by sum of all frequencies 50 given. Okay, now what is the mean given? 65.6. So we can say 65.6 equal to 2260 plus 60 F1 plus 100 F2 divided by 5050. Now remove this decimal and this is the 0. It will cancel. Okay. Now 5 multiply this. 5 6 are 30 in hand 3. 5 5 are 25 and 3 28 in hand 2. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32 equal to 2260 plus 60 F1 plus 100 F2. Now it will subtract from this to become 1020. 32 minus 22 become 1000 and 80 minus 60 become 20. 1020 equal to 60 F1 plus 100 F2. Okay, we can put the value of F2 from equation 1. Okay, so we just write from this side 60 F1 plus 100 F2 equal to 1020. From 1 we can put it 60 F1 plus 100. What is this? 50 minus F1 equal to 1020. Clear? Now do the calculation. 60 F1. Okay, 100 into 15, 1500 minus 100 F2, 100 F1 equal to 1020. After that, we can say what? 100 minus, 60 minus 100 become 40. So 40 I will send this side. Minus 40 becomes 40 F1. Okay. And this number I will send this side. 1500 minus 1020 becomes 480. 480. What is the value of F1? F1 it is 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. So F1 equal to 12. Okay? Frequency 1 icon. What is the value of second frequency? Second frequency it is, second frequency equal to F2 equal to 50 minus F1. Okay, so 50 minus 12 becomes 3. Okay, this is the second frequency. Okay, my dear, I think you understood this video. Okay, how to calculate the frequency are there. Nothing I have done. Okay, thank you. Nice. Watch it.